We got the expert here, and now Laura Tobin joins us on the set. Laura, just before we go into the detail of what's going on, can I just put it to you in the nicest possible way that you guys have messed up a bit? Were we going to have a barbecue summer and a mild winter?
Well, the barbecue summer, a bone of contention for everybody. I think that the whole thing with our summer forecast this year, it wasn't particularly convincing for many people. I think we were bang on with how much rainfall we'd have. It was just around about drier than average, but it wasn't quite as warm as we were expecting because of the deluge we had in the middle. It started off very hot and then sort of tailed off towards the end. I mean, we've had a revised winter forecast in that it's more likely to be cold after what was actually a very mild start to December, and it was actually quite mild across the rest of Europe as well. But now it's cold. The cold weather's been with us for at least 3 weeks, and it looks set to stay with us for a good few weeks to come yet. And I think the problem with today's weather is going to be the snow. We've got it at the moment across northern areas of England, and by 8 o'clock tomorrow morning it'll be affecting southern areas of England. So really nobody's going to escape the snow through the next 24 hours. We've already had it across Scotland, we've already had it across Northern Ireland. It's now falling across northern England through the course of the day, making its way into Wales. And then it's really overnight tonight. We're really very, very concerned. Areas particularly towards Wiltshire, Dorset, Hampshire, the Met Office are liaising with other agencies to maybe perhaps issue an extreme weather warning, which is the highest weather warning we have for severe disruption due to, for some places, nearly a foot of snowfall overnight.
And so just on that levels of warning, extreme, is that the first this winter, or have you been doing extreme in Scotland?
We haven't done an extreme yet at all this winter. It's not something we even issue yearly. It's when we're expecting severe weather to affect people because of disruption on road, on rail, and obviously in the air. And we've already seen, we've had Manchester Airport closed, Liverpool's airport also closed, and lots of train lines already, and we're expecting similar disruption in the south. But for such a largely populated area, and at the wrong time of day as well, when people are heading to work first thing tomorrow morning.
And so just in terms of, you know, we're looking at the chart now and see the snow still falling over Scotland. Are they likely, as it moves south more, are they likely to get a break? Because, of course, we get a lot of texters from Scotland saying, we have had this for 3 solid weeks now.
Yes, yes, and it's been reluctantly cold there, and it's set to get even colder. By the weekend, we could have lows down to minus 20 degrees across Highland Scotland. What's happening there at the moment is we're just seeing some snow showers coming through, not the persistent snow, but the winds will start to pick up, so that will start to give drifting snow, and that'll be a problem later on this week. We continue with our easterly blast, bringing that bitterly cold air in from the near continent, and with further snow falling across the east coast of England and across Scotland, and with the winds pepping up towards the weekend, it'll not just be snow and ice, but it'll be drifting snow. That'll be a problem for many of us.
Very serious. Laura, thanks so much. Do come back and tell us more in the next half hour.
Just want to bring you some news coming in.